Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and again I came up with another unboxing video, and this time I have bought from Amazon a chest mounted camera mount for motovlogging. So guys, you know that the packaging is very good, and in this video I'm also going to uh, show you that how you can set it, and after that I'm also going to make a video of moto blogging of it. So it is a unboxing come review video, so kindly watch this video at the end, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So you can see that the box is quite open over here, and here is that material. See the material here, the mount and all the things are there. I got it just for 379 rupees. So you can see this belt, you have to on it on your chest, and this is actually uh, the mobile mount. You have to fit it on your chest. So guys, I'm going to fit it and I will show you how to fit it. So guys, now we are going to fit it. You can see this is the belt. First you have to take it like this, and you have to wear it like this. So it is a fit. Then this is another thing, so you have to just put it here and press it likewise. After that, this is another part. Okay, you have to attach this part to here like this, and then you just look at here, you have to attach here like this, and then this is the nut bolt. You have to tighten it like this. Okay, and here you can put your mobile. You can take like this also. So I can put my mobile phone here. So this is mobile phone. You can attach here like this. For this you just close this, open this screw, and you can fit your mobile phone in such a way, and you can tie it if you want to do like this, or you can also make it like this. And once it's started, you can tie this also. And just you can try it and you can take a video. So guys, I'm also going to make a ride video of this, and I will upload that. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.